Beginning freshman year with Euclidean geometry, it undoes all of the math that I think I learned in high school. It's not, nobody's looking for like a definitive answer. You're not looking for like, okay, x equals, x, or 2. You're thinking, okay, so if x equals 2, then like, what does that mean? Or where does that take us? And that's also, I think, a very different way of doing mathematics. It's more logical. You're less interested in kind of problem solving in a traditional sense, like having like sets of equations to take home and do for homework, as you are just kind of reviewing and considering, if this is the first step, then how do we get to the second? How does like proposition 1 of book 1 in Euclid lead to, proposition 47? How do we get from this place to the next? And that was so different. To be asked to present propositions is also something I think is kind of invaluable. It helps to build your confidence, I think more so than any other class at St. John's, because you're asked to go to the board and demonstrate not your knowledge, but like the way that you see these things. I mean, everybody presents in a different way. So from how you put up your images to how you number your steps, you can really tell something about like the logical processes happening inside of somebody's brain. And I thought that was really cool. In the math tutorial, we go through 3 different kind of hypotheses based in astronomy. We start with Ptolemy, and we're looking at a geocentric model in which everything is, orbiting in circles around the Earth. And then you move on to Copernicus, and then, suddenly the sun is the center, and that's crazy. And then Kepler's like, but wait, there's more. It's not just that the sun is the center, but it's also that the orbits are elliptical in nature. They're not circular. And to see the progression, from those authors themselves, is something, it's very special, it's magical, you kind of get this sense that even maybe current theories might have the same, pitfalls, like teaches you how to look forward in a way in which I had never experienced before St. John's.